Congratulations, you've decided to buy a home. Now you've got to figure out the many things you should do. But what about the things you shouldn't do? Let's talk about that now and let's create that connection. Justin Cotton here. Today, I'm sharing the 5 things you should never do during the home buying process. Number 1, don't do it alone. If you're serious about buying a home, find an agent you can trust. A realtor can help you achieve and find your dream home with way less stress than if you did it alone. If you need help finding a realtor you can trust, please reach out. I partner with some of the best in the area. Number 2, don't change jobs. It's tempting to start looking for jobs that are closer to your new home, but stick it out until you're completely done with the process. It's so important to maintain consistency in your job and salary because we'll use that information to secure your home loan. Number 3, don't make big purchases. I get it. A new home means new things. Whether it's a new washer and dryer or something bigger like a new car, hold off on buying. When you're buying a home, your credit is being looked at. Large purchases could hurt your credit score or other factors, which puts your new home on the line. Number 4, don't stop saving. So you've saved enough for the down payment. That's great. But remember that you have to have enough funds to cover closing costs, repairs, moving costs, and more. Don't stop saving just because you have enough for the down payment. Number 5, don't forget to get pre-qualified first. Before you head out to open houses, take 5 minutes to fill out our pre-qualification form. If you're pre-qualified before you submit an offer, you'll stand out from the crowd. Take the first step in the home buying process by clicking the link above. If you need help getting started, reach out. My team and I would love to help. You can email us or give us a call at 501-303-4203. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.